There you go.
Alright. We've got everything on.
Yeah, put a lot of blue in there.
Blue lava.
There you go. Alright, put the vinegar in. You ready?
You ready?
Vinegar.
It's in the, yeah, it's in that.
That's
It looks like water, but it's vinegar. You can smell
put it in here.
Now pour it slowly.
Slowly.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Green lava.
We do more? Slowly. There you go, stop. Whoa!
That was pretty good.
That looks good, Iris.
No, do it again.
You can put more in there. Wait.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Whoa!
Red.
Look at that, that's cool.
Yes.
We put
Now I'm doing
See,
another
good.
color.
to be a Christmassy volcano. Did you put baking soda in it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Whoa, it's orange.
That looks like a real volcano.
Whoa.
Awesome.
Put some more of this.
A little more of that. You got a little bit.
Some more.
Oh, there you go. Okay, that's good.
Orange and blue.
Alright.
And this color.
Well, you already put red in it. Okay.
And then what?
Then put more of the vinegar. Oh, cool.
Try some more.
Alright.
I'm going to do all of the colors.
We'll load it with a little bit more baking soda. Alright, ready?